Sesame Street Super Salad Diner. To play, press the green button. Hi there, welcome to Sesame Street Super Salad Diner. Bert and I could really use your help. Bert? Come on out here, Bert.
But Ernie, I look ridiculous.
Oh, don't be silly. You look great, Bert.
Okay, but I don't think this hat fits.
Like I was saying, Bert and I could really use your help. You see, we're kind of short a chef. Do you think you could help us?
Yeah, could you? Pretty please, with oatmeal on top?
Let's get started! Uh-oh, it looks like we didn't finish all the orders.
Oh, I hope we don't get a bad write-up in the leafy lettuce review.
Don't worry. Order up. You've got 4 orders. Good luck, chef.
I'll run this to the table right away.
Oh. Keep up the good work, chef. Top it like it's hot.
Wow, you're fast.
Uh-huh, I see. You're a pro! Great job, chef. You finished all the orders.
I hope we get a thumbs up on Super Salad Weekly.
No time to celebrate. We've got more Order up. You've got 6 orders. Good luck, chef. We'll beat this rush in no time. Keep up the good work, chef.
I'm okay. Some of these dishes aren't. I'll run this to the table right away.
Uh-oh. Looks like you're in the weeds, chef.
Wow, you're fast. Oh, I hope I make some good tips today. Wait a second. This order doesn't match the ticket.
Don't worry, chef. I'll take this one, and you can try again. Oh. Uh-oh. It looks like we didn't finish all the orders.
Oh, I hope we don't get a bad...
Order up. You've got 5 orders. Good luck, chef.
Wow, you're fast. Is it break time yet? Where is the break room anyway?
You're a pro.
Uh-huh.
Keep up the good work, chef. So many ingredients and so little time.
I'll run this to the table right away. Wow, you're fast.
Great job, chef. You finished all the orders. Wow, we're serving salads so fast, we've added a new ingredient to the menu. Olives has been added to the menu.
Looks tasty. Can I try?
No time, Bert. We've got a new ingredient and new customers. Order up. You've got 7 orders. Good luck, chef.
I'll run this to the table right away.
Uh-huh, I see. You're a pro!
I'm okay. Wow, you're fast.
Uh-huh, I see. Keep up the good work, chef.
I'll run this to the table right away.
You're a pro! Uh-oh. Looks like you're in the weeds, chef.
Wow, you're fast!
Great job, chef. You finished. Order up. You've got 9 orders. Good luck, chef. You're a pro.
I'm okay. Some of these dishes. I'll run this to the table right away.
Keep up the good work, chef.
I'm okay.